Every time I hear the solenoid move, the water inlet here kind of like pushes out a little harder, and it goes back to this little trickle. Then you have a little black stuff that comes down and runs down. Obviously it is draining on the floor a little bit because of the pipe issue. Hopefully we can get it to show again. Check again. 1 second. Hopefully I can actually catch it on film this time. And that would be draining. Water level is a little bit under the brown stain from standing water. Let me check one thing real quick. Let me check something. Alright, let's try again. Whoa! Wow. Honestly, I don't know. That was a good one. I don't know what the heck that black stuff is. You just get huge flow like that, and then it just poof. Wow. I'm glad I caught it on camera for sure. Other than this is a pretty nice looking dishwasher here. If I can just figure out why the Hotco is not filling up with water, it may be how it's connected. I guess it's on its separate the separate fill line from the dishwasher. I'll let this cycle finish out here. It's about to run into the overflow drain here in a few seconds, which I don't really mind, but it is rising. The other than this, and the seals look good on the door. Now, if I don't turn the water off manually, it's going to continue to fill the dishwasher up with water. I guess the cycle's done. No, it's not. Okay, so a little bit more. And, the motor may be hitting a high temperature cutoff. It doesn't drain as fast as I thought or expected it to drain. As soon as this cycle is done, I will take off the washer arm and coarse and fine strainer. Okay, that is it. So, yes, I still have no pressure in the hat core. If I do open up the drain valve, I still have no water in the tank. So, that is it. Let me turn off this water down here and we'll take off the washer arm.